Hello friends! Okay, today we are going to make this super easy peasy lavender. Lavender is so versatile and it's amazing and it's such a great little accent stem. So what we're going to do is poke some holes into our flower petals and string them onto our wire. I am doing a total of 12 different petals. Okay, so we have 6 of the 4-leaf lavender petals and then 6 of the 5-leaf lavender petals. So you're just going to go ahead and place a little bit of glue and smush those petals up. I like to space them out a little bit because I feel like in real life, lavender is a little bit spaced out and it just looks a little bit more authentic and fun and a little bit more dynamic. So we're going to just do the same thing going down. So we're going to go ahead and just put some glue, smush them up, and I'm doing 2 of the petal sets at a time. I'm leaving, I don't know, about maybe like a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch between each set, but that's totally subjective, and honestly, you could totally do whatever spacing you want, because really, if you look at lavender, like what lavender is spaced perfectly and geometrically, so just go for it. We're just going to keep going all the way down, super easy peasy. And honestly, these lavender stems look so good as accent flowers in all your bouquet. They just put such a nice, beautiful little pop into everything. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.